You'll have 50 seconds to read the passage. Begin reading now. Now listen to part of a lecture on this topic in a psychology class.
Consider this experiment. Two groups of people were asked to watch TV, and while they were watching, a picture flashed on the screen. Less than a second, very quickly, so it was barely noticeable. The picture was of a boy with a birthday cake. Now, like I said, there were two groups, and each group saw a slightly different version of the picture. One group got the boy looking angry. In fact, he was actually throwing the cake on the floor. The other group got a picture of the boy smiling, happy, holding out the cake like he was offering it. Same boy, same cake, but different emotions expressed in each picture. Everyone was then asked to look at a different image. Now, this is a third image, right? Again, it's the boy and the cake, but this time the image stayed on the screen. In this picture, the boy's just holding the cake, basically no emotion on his face, everything very neutral. Now remember, nobody knew they'd already seen a picture of this boy. After a minute, everyone was asked to describe the boy's personality. Those who'd been exposed to the image of the angry boy, they generally described the boy's personality negatively. Those who'd earlier seen the happy boy described him, well, positively.
Describe what subliminal perception is and explain how the experiment discussed by the professor illustrates this phenomenon.
Please prepare your answer after the beep. Please begin speaking after the beep.
And the subliminal perception is a perception that people cannot realize that they subliminally realize. Based on the experiment, the professor tries to illustrate this perception. And there are two groups of people, and both of them look and flash of image. This image will appear only very, very little time, and one group look the image with angry boy, and another group look cake with boy smiling. And after looking this image, the first group think that this boy's personality is negative, and another positive.
Number 5.
これっぱまずいわ。
In this